Brad's taking the dough for 1 loaf of bread. Notice he's rolling it very long. You don't have to do that. If you're going to just roll it, you know, tuck the ends under and just roll it up, you would just roll it a little bit bigger than the size of your pan. We're going to show you a cool little braid. So Brad has rolled the dough fairly long here, and now he's smearing it with the sucanat, cinnamon. So now he's going to roll the ends over. Then he's going to kind of lift and roll. And if you were making cinnamon rolls, you wouldn't roll it out quite this thin, but this is the same way you would make cinnamon rolls. Roll it up, and then we just cut them. So notice Brad rolled it up. He squished it out till it was long. All right, he's going to make a J. Then he makes a 6. Then he grabs the loop, turns it away from him, takes the tail, swings it under, sticks it in. There you go. And you have an easy, pretty braided loaf of bread. Plop it in the pan. And now you'll get that swirl all throughout.